And we're standing here on behalf of my baby brother Angelo Rodriguez, who was murdered on November 21st of 2012, the day before Thanksgiving. So our holiday will never be the same because of that. And we're here today not to just stand in the stead of my brother, but on behalf of all those who have lost people, not just in 2012, but just period, due to violence for whatever reason in San Francisco. And I just want to tell you personally that we can't leave it all up to the police. We have to bring unity back into our communities. We have to take responsibility for our own streets and our own actions and our own children. And that's where we stop the violence, because the love that the love and support that we need starts at home, and we have to love on our children and teach our children to love themselves and to love their communities. And once we breathe that love and breathe it back into the communities, that's how the violence begins to stop. And the police is just kind of like a side help to what we do in our own communities, because they're not there all day every day. So it's up to us, because we walk up and down these streets every day, and we make San Francisco what it is by taking authority over this evil force that is trying to take over, because it's only a foolish few who are trying to run rampant in these streets and make people scared and paranoid not to live freely and fully in San Francisco. So it's really up to us to just be a community and be united in our communities to love and embrace one another, and through Jesus Christ in our hearts we can do that.
Amen. Amen.